We are the West Virginia Coalition End Homelessness. We are the state advocacy body for all homelessness issues within the state of West Virginia. We've been with WellSky Community Services since 2013. So that all is housed within community services. So it's you see their access point, how they came in, where they became engaged in community or coordinated entry, where they, as they've worked toward becoming actionable, we call it, in terms of all their paperwork's getting together so they can find a place to be permanently housed, or if they go into permanent supportive housing, which is a HUD-funded housing type. If they go into that, all that's within community services, referrals made within the system through our coordinated entry staff to those permanent housing types, and then once they're in those permanent housing types, of course, their full case management is done through community services as well. So we can almost see that whole progression from street to self-sufficiency. Yes. Part of our mission also is to, try and address homelessness issues wherever they may be, and healthcare is housing. We conducted a study. It's been about 5 years ago now with the West Virginia University School of Health to determine that exponentially as people are permanently housed, their healthcare expenses go down. They have a lot less emergency room visits, a lot less ambulance rides, a lot less things like that. So they're not only saving money to the system, but they're also, much healthier. We have an active user on community services within the hospital staff, one of their social workers, and that person will in turn, make sure that the client's going through our coordinated entry system as well, so they can get referred to permanent housing. As we also talk, part of our goals as a COC is to work with discharge planning with healthcare organizations, so that people don't get discharged out of the hospital back into homelessness. And so it's kind of part of our goals and missions as well. The WellSky team, the community services team, over the years have been very open to ideas for different feature enhancements and things like that. And they have never missed any kind of HUD deadline to get new product, new features, new data standards, new reports, updated reports out there. And that's always been very much appreciated by us.